Apple's iOS 18.4 update is set to launch in April 2025, bringing exciting new features to enhance iPhone functionality and user experience. With smarter notifications, expanded AI capabilities, and improved automation, this update has something for everyone. Here are the top features you should try. First up, priority notifications. This feature ensures you never miss important alerts by highlighting them on your lock screen using Apple Intelligence. You can also customize which apps send priority notifications, making sure you stay updated on what matters most. Next, Visual Intelligence expands support to the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. This AI-powered feature allows instant visual searches via the Action button or Control Center, making object recognition easier and faster. iOS 18.4 introduces new emojis from Unicode 16.0, including a face with bangs, fingerprint, leafless tree, root vegetable, harp, shovel, and splatter. These additions offer more creative ways to express emotions and ideas. Shortcuts get a major upgrade with new integrations for Safari, Books, Maps, and News. Now automations can trigger actions based on location, time, or app usage, making everyday tasks even more seamless. The Control Center adds new toggles for Apple Intelligence and Siri. Users can now switch between Talk to Siri and Type to Siri with ease and enable visual intelligence on supported devices. A brand new app, Apple Vision Pro, enhances user interaction with spatial technology by providing curated content and useful tips on maximizing the Vision Pro experience. iOS 18.4 extends Apple Intelligence support to more languages, including French, German, Spanish, Japanese, and simplified Chinese. This expansion makes AI features more accessible to users worldwide. The Image Playground now includes a sketch style, allowing users to create AI-generated images in a hand-drawn effect, adding an artistic touch to their visuals. A new ambient music feature in the Control Center introduces curated playlists for sleep, chill, productivity, and well-being, making it easier to set the perfect mood with a single tap. For users in the EU, iOS 18.4 now allows setting default apps for maps and translations, giving them the flexibility to choose alternatives like Google Maps for navigation. iOS 18.4 is packed with powerful new features designed to personalize and optimize your iPhone experience, from smarter notifications to enhanced AI tools and automation upgrades. This update makes everyday interactions smoother and more enjoyable. Looking forward to experiencing these new features when iOS 18.4 rolls out this April.